Hey, so right here I have this iron, vitamin C, and B12. This stuff is actually really awesome. So we have a really nice flavor here. I'm going to show you what this looks like in just a second. This is the Dippin dots, and we are going to get 120 in here. So you're going to take 2 a day. So that's going to be a 60-day supply. I like how you're going to have the vitamin C and the B12 in here too. That really is just nice. So let's take a look at what we got here. Going to have a little bit of a sweet flavor to it. Tastes really good. This is going to be the grape. Really easy to consume. They just chew really nice. They're just a nice shape and texture. Definitely not a chore to take these. So this right here is going to be good for somebody with an iron deficiency. It helps prevent iron deficiency, and it's going to help your energy levels in the day. So I started taking this, and after 2 days I started noticing that my energy levels felt really good throughout the day. This is also going to be non-GMO. It's allergy friendly. It's just going to be a convenient supply that's going to have 60 days worth right here. So the vitamin C that's in here is going to help with absorption. This also helps with red blood cell formation. All in all, this stuff is really good. I highly recommend it if you're looking for an iron supply that has a little bit more than just that and you want to help your energy levels. Really good value pack, and highly recommend this. Add this to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.